You know the view as well. There's bloody things to buy at Bunnings. I bought the Irwin brands. They're cheap crap right brand. This is a quality. Yeah, so there's another brand. One of these you can actually buy an Irwin brand. This one is an Irwin brand. Quite a good brand from Bunnings. The rest of one of these, they always freaking chip the pieces of shit. And they were on cheap screws, tap it into steel, mild steel. The screws didn't chip, but these things bloody broke. Pieces of shit, so I decided to do some wood smoking up tests. See here. Draws a good hole. That clean it right up. There we go, buffed it with some dirt. Let's see if I can get it to smoke here. Since this tree's still half alive, I tried in here. Sort of wants to cut a hole. It's getting blunt though. It was working better when it was a fresh break. There we got some smoke. There we got some smoke now, look at that. Smoke it up. Yeah, look at that. Woohoo! It's getting hot. Because the way I can cut these, so it has like a good metal cutting action to it. Something for cement. Oh, it's hot. Wow, she's smoking. Battery was fully charged when I started. And it's still fully charged. She's hot now. Oh yeah. I want to get dirt into that. I was wondering going to sharpen this thing. Probably why I can sharpen this, I reckon. If I can cut it a certain way. Okay, got it down 3/4 of the way and finished the rest off with a hammer. Because this tree is still alive, it started steaming. And when I pulled this out, some steam shot out of it. Wow. Does good holes. I'm going to try to have a go at sharpening this somehow. Let's see what it does. It's hardened steel. Since these things are so disposable and break so easily, I'll try to think of ways I can recycle these things. Make kind of a jewel sort of thing out of it, sharp on one side. See how it goes. Oh, a jewel's better. The jewel's heaps better. I go back because I sharpened it wrong. Seems to work. Hasn't chipped either. Works quite well. And cement. Wow, that didn't do much. Seems to work. Only works to a point though, doesn't actually, it's got to be cut a certain way like a drill bit so it pushes and pulls itself in there with how it cuts. I'll grind it flat and make it into a flat screwdriver. Yeah. Squeaky air conditioner board alert. Pretty strong. I'll grind that flat and make a flat screw out of it. Sort of does work though. I thought that was interesting. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.